Welcome back to Me with Nature, where we explore the vastness and the beauty of the eastern Himalayas. Last episode we came to NGP station and saw a glimpse of the Kanchenjunga, and then we departed for Gangtok. We boarded in our hotel and explored the MG Marg, one of the most famous markets of Gangtok. We enjoyed many delicacies there. The first day of Sikkim went really great. Now it is day 2, and today we are going to explore some local tourist spots of the city, namely the Banjhakri Falls and the Monastery. The Banjhakri Falls is a popular tourist attraction located 7 kilometers from Gangtok. It is a cultural and energy park dedicated to celebrate Jhakris, or traditional shamanic healers who heal spirits in nearby caves. Along with various gazebos and depictions of ancestral shamans, the graceful flow of the river and the sound of the water gushing through really gives a whole new feeling. After Banjhakri Falls, we arrived at Monastery. It was an hour's drive from Gangtok. I turned the prayer wheels in the monastery and recalled why they are so important to Buddhist monks. Basically, rotating the wheels clockwise embraced positive energy and let go of negative energy. It is also accustomed with the path of the sun across the sky. The young monks and the monastery itself created a calm, spiritual environment with cool weather. There was a Buddhist museum nearby too, which had many Buddhist relics and scriptures. The sensation of the waterfalls and the spiritual aura of the monastery really had an impact that day. It's like tasting two entirely different dishes but still finding a connection between them. Well, this was for our second day in Sikkim, and experiencing their culture was really interesting. See you tomorrow.